Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the solutions of data manipulation with pandas. As I mentioned earlier in my video, so data camp is one of the best website to get started with data science courses. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. So they have these four units. So transforming data, creating data, slicing and indexing, and finally creating and visualizing the data frames. Okay, so let's get started with the first unit. So this is the first exercise they have in this course, so which is inspecting data. So in this exercise, they have four different questions to answer. The first one is we need to display or inspect the data frame that is given, so which is homelessness. And to inspect, in other words, if you want to see the first few rows of any data frame, we should be using head. So head will give you basically the first five rows. Okay, so default is five. So let me run the program and show you the answer. So this is how it is. Okay, so move on to the next instruction or exercise. So here we want to see the information of the data frame. So how do you see that? I mean, how do you get that? So using the info method. So you can see that, I mean, by running this one. So yeah. And moving on, if you want to see the shape, I mean, how many rows and columns are there? So the method or the attribute of data frame is called shape. Okay, so we can use that method. And finally, there is a describe method. So if you want to see the exactly statistics of your data frame, you can use this one. So let me run this and show you. Yeah, so you can see the details here. So this is the describe of that particular data frame. Okay, and this is the shape basically here. So which is 51 comma 5. Okay, so moving on to the next exercise. So in this exercise, it is parts of data frame. Okay, so here you can see actually, if you want to print the values of a data frame, we can use values attribute. And if you want to see the columns in it, we can use columns attribute. And if you want to see the indexes, we can use index attribute. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward exercise, I would say. So yeah, you can also explore this one.